Hey everyone, welcome to Technology Consumer Channel. If you're curious about compact, powerful mini PCs and wondering which ones to buy in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into 4 amazing mini PCs and breaking down their standout features. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any tech updates. ECS Liva Z5 Plus. First up, we have the ECS Liva Z5 Plus. This mini PC comes with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, which means it can handle 4K UHD video with ease. Plus, it supports up to 4 displays thanks to its 2 HDMI ports, DisplayPort, and Type-C alternate DP connection. It also boasts Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more secure internet speeds, going up to 9.6 gigabits per second. If you're dealing with heavy data tasks, the 2.5G base T networking tech provides a super fast 2.5 gigabits per second connection. And don't forget it's PCIe 4.0 ready, so you can easily upgrade to faster SSDs. This makes the Liva Z5 Plus a perfect choice for both home and office use. MSI Cubi NUC M. Next up is the MSI Cubi NUC 1M. Don't let its size fool you. This mini PC is packing an Intel Core i7 processor, giving it some serious power. It also features Thunderbolt 4, delivering data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, and it can support up to 4 displays at once. Dual 2.5G LAN ports make it ideal for gamers and professionals who need reliable, high-speed internet. And with MSI PowerLink, you can even power it directly from your monitor for ultimate convenience. If you're looking for a small but mighty PC, the MSI Cubi NUC 1M is definitely worth considering. Acer Vero Mini. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, the Acer Vero Mini might be just what you need. It's equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and an Intel Core i5 processor, delivering solid performance. With Wi-Fi 6E support, you'll get fast, uninterrupted internet, and the 512 gigabyte SSD gives you plenty of storage. Plus, it comes with a Windows 11 Pro license, so you're ready for the future of computing. If you want a mini PC that's both powerful and good for the planet, the Vero Mini is a fantastic pick. HP Z2 Mini G9. Last but not least, we have the HP Z2 Mini G9. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor, this mini PC can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM for smooth multitasking, and the 512 gigabyte SSD gives you more than enough space for all your large files. It also has a 280-watt power supply to keep things running smoothly. If you're looking to optimize your workflow and share resources over Ethernet, the HP Z2 Mini G9 is the way to go. So there you have it. 4 of the best mini PCs you can get in 2025. Each one offers something different, whether you're into gaming, productivity, or just need a powerful, compact PC. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the tech world. See you in the next one. Take care.